Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to teach you a very simple forex trading strategy. This strategy is a very profitable strategy. I have been using it for some time now and it's very easy to follow, but when you are able to discipline yourself and follow through this strategy, your forex trading is going to improve and you're going to see results over a relative period of time. Okay, so bear with me as we go into the tutorial. Let me teach you this simple strategy to make profits in the forex market. All right, the strategy is known as the moving average crossover strategy. All right, let's see how to set it up and how to make profit out of this strategy. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have our MT4 trading platform now. This is pound USD 15 minutes. I'm going to put on the moving averages. Just be patient with me and pay attention to whatever I'm doing. Follow through the process and we'll get to the strategy very soon. Okay, so I'm going to add two moving averages. You can find the moving averages at the navigator. So I come to indicators, trend, then I have moving averages. So just drag and drop it. So the first one we're going to put on a chart is the 20 period moving average. Okay, and we're going to use this color that is medium turquoise. Okay, or let me find a deeper color, doja blue. Okay, so we change the MA method to exponential, right? 20 period, and we can change the thickness of the moving average, okay, to make it visible. So this is the first moving average we have on the charts. We'll add a second one so that we can get a crossover of the two moving averages. This one will change the period to 60. We'll maintain exponential MA method, and we're going to change the color to something visible, orange red. Okay, so basically this is a very simple strategy, and this is how the strategy goes. All right, so basically we are looking for a cross of the moving averages. Okay, so we want to see these two moving averages cross at a point in the movement of price, whether in a bearish movement of price or in a bullish movement of price. So for instance, we have a cross here. So how do we enter the trade? How do we take the trade? Whenever there is a cross, we want to find out which candle produce the cross. So we realize that it is this particular candle, right? This second bullish candle gave us the cross. Okay, so after this candle, that will be our entry. So our entry will be here, right at the close of the second bullish candle. That is our entry, and our stop loss will be on top of the cross. That is where we had the cross on the two moving averages. Okay, our stop loss will be on top of the cross. So we have to measure the distance from our entry to the top of our cross, and we have about 10 pips. Okay, that is 108 points. That gives us 10 pips. So we can use this 10 pips as our stop loss, and our take profit will also be 10 pips. Okay, if the distance between our entry to the point where the moving averages cross is 10 pips, our take profit will be 10 pips. If the distance is 20 pips or close to 20 pips, then our take profit will be 20 pips. It's as simple as that. If we are looking at using the nearest resistance level, that is about 20 pips here. So in that case, our take profit to be 20 pips. So we are always looking at 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that is basically what you do. So our entry is here. Let me change the moving average, the trend line. Okay, so this is our entry and this is our stop loss, and our take profit will be somewhere here. Okay, so this is our entry. Our stop loss is above, slightly above the cross of the moving averages, and our take profit is 1:1. So the same distance from entry to the stop loss, the same distance will be our take profit. And we can see here that our stop loss was not hit, and this turned out to be a profitable trade. So this is the case of a sell trade. Okay, then let's look at a buy trade. We have another cross here. All right, so this candle, this second bullish candle, gave us the cross. So our entry is going to be after the close of this bullish candle, the second one. Okay, so let's bring our trend line to, let's leave this one here. Let's copy our trend line and bring it here. So our entry is gonna be here, then our stop loss is gonna be about 10 pips. Okay, the target shouldn't be less than 10 pips, right? So this is like 5 pips, so we're gonna make it 10 pips. All right, so 10 pips for our stop loss, and then our take profit is going to be 10 pips. So we have 1:1 risk to reward ratio, and we got this trade. Our take profit was hit, and this turned out to be a profitable trade. Okay, so let's look at this scenario. This trade, let me explain how to handle this trade. So we had a cross here, right? So this is where our entry is going to be. So let me bring up the trend line. Okay, so our entry is here, then our stop loss is here, and our take profit is supposed to be somewhere here, right? So what happened to this trade? So this trade will turn out to be a loss trade, because our stop loss will be hit here, and that is okay, that is fine. So we have 2 trades giving us profits and 1 loss here. Okay, which is still profitable. We are still in profit. All right, let this another cross here. So our entry will be here, our stop loss will be here. That is about 10 pips. Okay, about 10 pips to our stop loss, and 10 pips to our take profit, which was hit right here. So this is also a profitable trade. Then we have another cross here on this candle. So the next candle will be our entry for a buy, and our stop loss is going to be 20 pips. Okay, because from the entry to where we had the cross of the moving averages is 20 pips. So that is where our stop loss is going to be, and our take profit is also going to be 20 pips. And we can see our take profit got hit here. So this is also a profitable trade. So we looked at 5 trades, only 1 loss, 4 profits so far. This is another cross. Okay, so our entry is going to be here, our stop loss is going to be about 10 pips, right? 10-15 pips. Okay, if it is 12 pips, then our take profit is going to be 12 pips. All right, and we can see we got our take profit here. So 6 trades, 1 loss, 5 profits. We had another cross here. Okay, so our next candle is gonna give us the entry. Our stop loss is about 15 pips, take profit is 15 pips. So we had our take profit hit here. So this is our 8th trade, 1 loss, 7 win. We had another cross here, so our entry is going to be here. Our stop loss is going to be about 30 pips, 30 pips stop loss, and take profit 30 pips. So we had our take profit hit here. So this is our ninth trade, 1 loss, 8 profit. So we had another cross here, okay, and the next candle is going to give us our entry. Our stop loss is going to be 13 pips or 15 pips. Take profit 15 pips. It got hit here. So we have 10 trades, okay, 10 trades so far, only 1 loss and 9 take profit hit. So 9 times 10, because each take profit is about 10, 20. So 9 times 10, I think we had 30 pip, okay, take profit, and then we had 120 pip take profit, making 50 pips profit, and then we had 8 different 10 pip targets, okay, and out of the 8 different 10 pip targets, we had 1 loss. So minus 10 out of the 80, that gives us 70 pips. So we had 50 pips making up from the 30 pip target and the 20 pip target, and then we had 70 pip profit. So we add the 50 pip to the 70 pip profit, and that is going to give us 120 pips profit out of the 10 trades. All right, so this is a very profitable moving average crossover strategy. It's a very simple strategy. It requires discipline. You discipline yourself, you practice this strategy over and over and over, and you master it, you trade with it, and you make a lot of profit from this strategy. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video as well. So you can also contact me for training, mentorship in forex trading, account management, trading strategies, special tools or indicators, expert advisor, specification design, and product reviews. My email address is simonconsulting@gmail.com. Like, subscribe, and share this video. I have other links to other videos down below. Make sure you read all these links down there to any of my videos, and you'll be very glad you did. You have a link to my favorite brokers down there. Have a link to my favorite VPS service there. Please subscribe and stick and stay with me as I have more very insightful videos and tutorials for you. Goodbye.